Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on the Motorola Razr 40. So to install Microsoft Edge on this device you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and enter Edge and click search. Now click install and click open. Now you can click skip introduction, and here you can customize your home page, but you can just click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can just click not now. Now you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, but you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now your Microsoft Edge is set up. Now it asks you if you want to make notifications easier, but you can click no thanks, and it asks you if you want to import your browsing data from Google, but you can click not now. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.